Hi, this is Andrea from 19 Design, and I wanted to take just a few minutes to show you around the back end of a Squarespace website. One of the greatest selling features of the Squarespace platform is the ease of editing. We find all too often that folks are not able to get into their website, they're not able to easily make a change, and therefore they get frustrated, and the result is an outdated website that really doesn't help anyone. So that's why I've chosen the Squarespace platform. So I'm going to show you around for a second. I'm on the 19 Design website, but as you can see up here in my URL bar, I'm on the internal site itself. If I were to go out to the internet and type in 19design.net, this is my actual live site. And so when I log into Squarespace, I see what no one else can see, and that is this menu over here to the left. And so we have lots of different sections. This is something that you learn in the 2-hour training that I provide for all clients, is how your page, how your website is laid out and things like that. But today, just for this short little tutorial, we're going to look at a practice page that's not live on the internet. And I can tell that because it's grayed out over here under my menu. So I'm just going to click on practice. And this, again, could be any page on your website. When you hover over that page, you get an edit button and you're in edit mode. And you can see here that the sections are kind of outlined with a gray line. Squarespace uses blocks, and that's how it becomes mobile responsive for you. Now, this is my practice page. I'm getting ready to do a tutorial on Facebook Live about adding Instagram blocks and hashtags. And so I was practicing that here on this page. But just for example, if I wanted to add a headline to this page, I would just click here on my insertion bubble, choose the text block, and this is my page headline. Now, I'm going to have different formatting styles that are going to be predefined in your settings. And so I can go in, and all of that will be set up for you in the design process. And then if I wanted to add more page text, I could just, and you can see that I'm just typing right in here like I'm typing on an email or a Microsoft Word document. And I can just continue to add text. I can copy and paste text from other sources, which is great as well. If I want to link this text, I can certainly just highlight my text. I can choose link. I have 3 options. I can link to an external website just by typing in the address here and choosing open a new window, so that when I save that and I click on that, you can see up here that opens that website in a new window. I can also link to a file. And so if I highlight my text, click on link, and choose file, I can access a library of files that are already linked on my site, or I can click on a new file and go through the process to add a new file. In this case, we'll just link to an existing file, and I'll choose open a new window and save. And now when I click on that text, this opens that document in a new window. And lastly, I can link to another page on my website. So again, one more time, the link. This time I choose content, and this is a list of all of the pages that are on my website. We'll say I will link this over to my FAQ page and click save. And now when I click on this link, I've now linked it to my frequently asked questions page. So you can see just how easy it is to add links to a page. You can also very quickly and easily add photos. So again, using an insertion bubble, I would choose an image block, and I would go to my computer to choose an image that I want to add. We'll just pick, this is my new puppy, so we'll just pick Kai's picture here, and chose my photo. I have a lot of different options on how to style photos as well. If I come over here to the design tab, I can choose to make that a poster image where I can place text on top of it. We can make that a card where we can have text to the right, a collage. You get the idea here. We can link that image again and have the same options to link externally or to another page on our website as well. So adding a photo is very easy. As well, if I want to swap out a photo, I just click on edit, I hit remove, and I go through the process again to choose a new photo. I've got some photos here that I'm using for another client. I think this is a smoking shot, but as you can see, it's really easy and quick to swap out the photos on your page. If I want to move blocks around and lay out my page differently, I just click on my photo and drag, and I'm going to get a line that shows where that photo is going to go. So that's an easy fix as well. So as you can see, there are lots and lots of features that we could talk about. Again, Squarespace works in blocks, and you can see here all of the mini block options that you have, things like adding quotes, adding buttons as links, embedding videos, adding photo galleries and styling those in different ways. We can add a map, we can add a calendar. There's just so many options on how you can customize your Squarespace website. But most importantly, it's great for you to see just how easy it is to style a page, to add text and photos. And then I'm not going to do this because my site is live, but if we were to go to my home page, this is my navigation menu. If I want to make a quick change there, I just simply hold down the item here, and I could drag that into a different order. So you can see up here, I've got an announcement banner on my page, which is a really quick fix that you can change just in a matter of a few minutes. So many options on the Squarespace platform, and I highly recommend it. My clients have had great success with it, and over 1 million people right now have a Squarespace website. So I hope that tutorial is helpful, and look forward to hopefully working with you individually to customize your own website.